Staring out the window, reaching for a North Star, waiting just to wake up from this nightmare where you could be right back in my arms.
Hi, I just reached Prague. I just checked into my hostel and I'm on the top floor and look at the view. Okay, look at that. Amazing. It's so beautiful. Look at that. This is the most last minute trip ever. So great view. Okay, so I'm starving right now. I'm also tired. I'm also like, I feel dirty. So I'm gonna just freshen up and make my way to eat something. I don't want to have any more goulash and stuff. I had that yesterday, the whole day basically. So let's see, maybe go eat something and sort of explore, because I'm in the old town part of Prague. So I'm just going to go and explore and call it an early night so that tomorrow I can do like other stuff and more stuff. Let's get into it.
어젯밤에 내가 잘못했어. 이제 그만 나를 용서해줘. 앞으로 더 잘할게 라고 약속해 baby. 나는 어제 내가 잘못한 걸 눈을 뜨고 드디어 깨달았네 baby. when 넌 너만 보면.
Day 1. Day 2 technically, but day 1. Now we're stepping out. We're gonna get some brunch and plan the rest of the day. Little OOTD. I bought these boots in Budapest and the box that it came in said 37, so I was taking the 37, and then the shoes inside are 38, so now they're a bit loose. I almost have a bit of, I don't know, is it calluses or something? Yeah, almost, because it's like sliding, but whatever.
Daydreaming got me thinking that this can all be true. Speculating, a long time waiting to hear a word back from you. Conversations in my head got me conflicted with what you said. I tend to second guess myself, like too much, 'cause I think that I've been falling ever since that day out in the park. And I don't know if this is love, but maybe.
Okay, so I'm at this random, sort of like an island on the river, like a random park. Really pretty because it's like autumn, so autumn vibes going on. Just wanna get a good picture here, maybe a good view, I don't know. Now I'm gonna try taking some photos and make my way to see Kafka's head and the clock tower, but like in the daytime, because last night it was like, oh, that's interesting, but I couldn't really get the full beauty of it. So yeah, the reason why I didn't want to go all the way to Prague Castle was because of the weather today. Like it said it was gonna rain, like it's drizzling right now, and yeah, that's mainly why I didn't want to go all the way there, to ruin the beautiful view that it promises. So I'm just doing the rest of the city center and the other buildings first, and then I'll go to the Prague Castle tomorrow, and obviously with better, like with my sneakers. Look at that. Alright.
항상 처음은 설레이지. 널 보러 가는 길도 마치 구름 위지. 너에게 하고 싶은 말을 생각하다가 나 이렇게 내가 바보라는 것을 알게 되었어. 참 바보같이 머리부터 발끝까지 콩깍지 가스연한 커피를 들고 햇볕 아래서 널 기다리다 내 마음이 녹은 것 같아. Let's go out in the sun. 느낌이 왔어. 이 리듬에 맡겨 발걸음에 맞춰 Fly with the wind. 이 비행기를 타고 날아가지 못한 곳에 데려가줘. Time after time 사랑을 몰라. 말들이 너무 많아 우리 걱정은 마. 나는 널 보며 지금 말해.
Got out of the monastery, and before going to the library I think I have to eat something because I'm about to get hangry. Just go eat and drink something because my stomach was making the most embarrassing noise in there, and it's so quiet in there. Not many visitors, and because they're like halls, and my stomach was making like oh, and I was like okay, and they close in like 2 hours, so hopefully I make it before that.
I wake up in a room that I forgot was mine. I stumble to a car I never learned to drive, and it's a busy bargain for the hours in a day. I've got nothing here but time, and I'm giving it away. And if I fall, I will catch myself. I've been living like someone else, and if you want, you can follow me, but I don't belong where I don't believe.
Look at me, openly being a vlogger. I'm just sitting here. Came from the Kafka gallery. It wasn't like a museum, it was just an exhibition put out by another artist. Just sitting by the river, and I have my coffee and my croissant. I'm starving, and I'll make my way to another library which is supposedly really beautiful. I have the view of the castle with me right now. Got it from Cafe Milani, for those of you interested. It was a random cafe on the way, so just bought it. It's good. I think that's also the Charles Bridge in the background over there. I think so. Like, there are multiple bridges. I'm not even sure. Like, yesterday I thought I walked past, like, on the Charles Bridge on my way back, but it wasn't. I'm thinking it's this one because it's like the most, like it has statues along the way. And it looks like the oldest one. That one looks relatively new. Maybe if that's the Charles Bridge, then y'all see the Charles y'all see the Charles Bridge over there? Hold on. You see there are like structures and statues throughout, so I feel like maybe that is the one. There's a pelican? No. A seagull?